year 2022. It's Friday, January 7th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. There were 1,997 homes that sold in Annapolis in 2021 at a median of 7 days for $493,000. 1,076 were detached homes, 523 were townhouses, and 394 were condos. The highest priced home to sell last year was in West Annapolis for $11 million. There are only 83 homes for sale in all zip codes of Annapolis, priced between $90,000 and $19,995,500. Let's look at what's happened with inventory for the very first week of 2022. 13 homes are coming soon, remains steady. 5 homes were newly listed for sale. 3 went under contract, 20 are temporarily off the market, 6 are pending, and 7 homes settled over the past week. The highest priced home to sell for this new year was in Monticello for $780,000. That's the first look at the Annapolis real estate market for the first week of the very new year. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay warm out there, stay safe, and I wish you all the best for this new year. Take care.